Hello.
What are you doing?
I run this horse.
Karang video. Oh,
I'm there.
hold it nicely. Hold it.
Hi everyone. Wherever we go.
So good morning, guys. So it's still 5 a.m. 5 a.m. here, and today we are going in the market to get a meat. It's not a meat, it's a intestine of the pig. Intestine of the pig. It's early in the morning. It's so cold. $140.
Kilo, kilo deh.
140.
30 lang sa inyo.
I buy spicy chorizo.
Awa na.
Oh, ate ka na lang, ate. Jan is in the vegetable curry.
Kilo na, dua ya. Dua ya.
Nyaway trabaho sa Jan. We buy, guys, this one. This one. Good morning. This is what we buy: the intestine of the pig, and also the blood, and also this one. This is a sayote and a chili. We buy chorizo also for Gab because he's gonna eat that later because he's going in school. Jan is making a fire so that he will put the pot there so we can boil a water for that. The blood is already there because we're gonna put it in the hot water so that we can chop it later because we're gonna cook paklay. You're gonna clean it one. Okay. He's cleaning that one. We're gonna use it. We're gonna clean it using a Nescafe stick. We're gonna clean it using a Nescafe. That's the blood.
Ang dugo-dugo.
It's already almost brown. We're gonna pour it and get it if it's already half cooked now, because we're gonna cook it later again. So just half cook. We're gonna slice it later, chop it. Boil it for a couple of minutes. No? Just minutes. Janjan by a pandesal. 5 pesos each. We buy a 50 pesos for that. This is what we buy, guys. That's a meat that we buy this morning together with the intestine. We thought it's all intestine, but it's not really meat. It's like there's a fat on it. There's a fat. It's still morning, guys. And look, it's not really meat. It's like there's a skin and a fat in there. The knife of Janjan now, it's not really sharp. He need to sharpen it. So later. That's our ingredients for our recipe, which is chili and sayote. Janjan, we're gonna slice it into slant. Slice it in a tin, then it will be slanting.
Awanay, solar basta may klarong solar lagi nagkuhan.
That's the sayote. This is the chili. Same as the slices of this one. Slant also. Guys, the intestine and some of the organs of the pig is already chopped, and he put a, what's that, Jan? It's original barbecue sauce. That's for our pack line. Is he gonna put an oil first? Make it dry first. I think it's not a small amount of oil. I think it's more oil, a lot of oil. Heat it first. Heat it. Make it hot first. Hot.
Hot, just like the cooker.
8:23 na. Hindi, siguro doon. Guys, you put the garlic and the onion now because the oil is already hot.
Make it brown.
Make the or let the garlic brown, or a little bit of brown. And next is the, what are you gonna put? The small intestine. The intestine. Makuha man. Uban kayo. Yan o.
Pag ginakuha, marag mo balik.
So now guys, you're gonna put a vinegar. Vinegar, and also just put it all because
Vinegar only.
vinegar for now, because later we're gonna put a soy sauce and also a,
Get the smell.
you know what, the purpose of vinegar is to get all the smells of the intestine. Just same as the Nescafe that I'm using earlier. I'm using the Nescafe to get the dirt intestine, like that. Right, John? Because when you buy the intestine or organs of the pig in the market, kanang not all the dirt is, it's not really clean, you know. That's why we clean it again so that it's clean. While we're waiting for the paklay, Gab Gab needs to eat now because it's already, I think it's already almost, it's 8:34. We're gonna cook the chorizo first. We're gonna will not use a oil for that. We're gonna use a water so that it's better if you're using a water, because this one there's a lot of oil already, so we just need a water for that one. Boil it first, and after that that's fine. We're gonna put the chorizo. That's the chorizo. This is a little bit spicy. It's not the regular or the standard one. Get this one dyan eh. You're gonna cut that thread. This one. He already put the chorizo in the pan. You're gonna cook that for, I think, if the water is already gone.
This, look on.
Oh, stop there.
Just look. Use a knife.
Hey. He's using a knife because when he's using a fork, he cannot make a hole in it. You're gonna put the oyster, one sachet or pouch of sachet. You're gonna put it in the paklay. I don't know if what to call that one, but here we call it paklay. Next is you're gonna put the patis or soy sauce. Just small amount of soy sauce only. I don't know if you know the recipe, but here paklay is very known here in our place, or we cannot say in our country because lots of places here in Philippines we don't have the same name of the recipe. We put a magic syrup. You're gonna mix it. And now you're gonna put the chili to make it a little bit of spiciness, not just, and also a ginger. Is that a ginger? Yes, it's a ginger. No more sana dyan? Muna na? Ha?
Upon mo.
Ibutong na lang na doon para ito.
Ay, yaw. Una mo na.
The water is almost again, or there's small amount of water only. We need to finish that water until the oil will come out. And now guys, there is no water now. It's only the chorizo, and we're gonna cook it for I think 3 minutes, like that. Oh, okay, Now guys, I'm gonna put the sayote of in the pot. This recipe, guys, it's just easy as long as you have the ingredients. But we forgot to put a carrots to that. That's just a budgeting and here's the final look, guys. It's a little bit dark because of the but that's okay, that's fine. It's delicious, still delicious, you know. And now guys, you're gonna hang the clothes because it's a sunny day here now, but a little bit cool. It's cool. It's there's a sun, but it's not hot because maybe it's still morning. As what the professor, as what Sir Professor said, that he will never do that because that's the work of woman. I think it's not really only the work of woman, because for my opinion, it's not really the work. It's a work for women, but also the man can work that also. That's same as before, right? The man can labor, right? Before, the man is the one who labor, and now the woman is the one who labor a baby now also. What man can do, woman can do it also. And now you're gonna put the water, just small amount of water, so that the vegetable will be cooked, and also the intestine. He put the blood on it, guys, the cooked blood already.
Gamay na kayo nag-pure na dugo. Meron nag-pure na dugo.
I think it's not really a paklay. It's same like half paklay and dinuguan. I don't know. But that's fine.
Because the blood is not totally...
Because the blood in the market, it's not totally old blood. Because sometimes they put a water in that. I don't know if they put it purposely, or it's just the water of blood. Water. And also this is the chorizo, a lot of rice. And happy eating, everyone. Eat.
Para us kabaso tigong.
Gabriel, say happy eating.
Happy eating.
Oh, there.
Happy eating.
Everyone.
Everyone.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
How you doing?
kakon. May lang mara. Posing sa mo ay. Mana? Ano ka doon?